Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia in Spain. Nature is just what it is. Here we had our first rain after a very long, dry Mediterranean summer, a very hot summer, and it looks good. This is the distribution pond. It was about 3 centimeters from full, from dispersing the water into the canal. That didn't happen, but next time. Another discovery I have made is there is much more seepage through this wall than I thought, but it is not that important because it just goes into this old erosion gully. It filled up this sediment trap. It filled up this first pond I have made. And this is another one that got some water, and then it can go further to all the swales. Nothing lost. The purpose of this pond is to distribute, and that is what is happening. Excellent. Here in the occasional creek, I made this pond as an afterthought, a last minute. This was just before the end of the rainy season in spring this year. It's still here. Great. The leaky weirs are all still intact. This was 25 millimeters of rain. Should we have double of that amount, I'm sure things will change here. It becomes a torrent, this water coming down the creek. Another leaky weir, still intact. I'm always amazed how much soil, sediment gets moved here from the neighbor. It's not a bad thing. I'm catching farms. Maybe I can sell them by the kilo. This is also intact. This is also intact. And the next one is good. This is where I fell down when I made it. Great. Let's go to the source of all the drama and see what we can learn from this one. A lot of sand. I'm not sure that, I'm sure it's not new sand. I'm not sure if it's just being washed away here or just cleaned out. These rocks were covered with soil and now they are clean. Thankfully the water didn't cause any damage, but a lot of sediment in the culvert that I will have to tend to. Fortunately, I had those cinder blocks filled with concrete. I could limit the flow of the water. I also removed these planks. You go into the street again, I kick your asses. Don't do that. There is no erosion of the earthen wall of this canal. I'm happy about that. Here the water is lower because the root systems start over there. This is the area where it breached this swale, the berm, and at 3:33 last night in the morning I had to repair it. But this is also where the camera then got wet, and now I cannot transmit data to upload it, so I don't know when this will be available. Let's hope soon. The water came from the creek down here, some water in this pond on the western side after being dry for 4 months. Even this little water looks like an oasis. The green vetiver behind it, the mountains, clear sky at times. Beautiful. We are so happy. Thank you. Till next time. Goodbye.